Hello and welcome to the behind the scenes series where I showcase how I use Wielded to build the product itself. Today I'll be showing you how I use Wielded to generate YouTube descriptions automatically from the video. Now, this is the YouTube descriptions that we have, right? It gives you a title, gives you a short description, the timestamp feature, take the chance to tell people about the company, and adding additional links and call to action to the description itself. So the process to do this is simple. I'm using Loom to actually record my videos, and as you can see, Loom already tries to summarize the video. However, you can see that there are certain things like the company name that is spelled wrong during the transcription process. In addition, the chapters are not the most useful when they are generated by Loom AI, and that's fine because this is not what we are going to use. So what we are going to use from here is actually the transcript, and it's alright that the transcript is going to be full of errors because we are going to add additional context about basically our company and why are we filming the different videos in Wielded itself. So all I have to do is to copy this transcript, head over to Wielded platform. I have a specific persona that is already set up to generate the YouTube description. So all I'm going to do is to click on that. I'm going to show you the content of that persona towards the end of the video so that you get an idea of how you can create one for yourself. Now, after that, what I'm going to do is simply just to paste in the entire transcript. So you can see this is 10 full minutes of transcript, and once it's being pasted in, the application immediately knows what to do. Right? So without additional fluff, it goes into generating the description itself. Here you can see that the titles is automatically generated along with a short description, right? And then it goes to help me look at the different conversations up there and select the timestamp as well as the ideal title that I could use for the chapters. So do take note that this is important for SEO because this helps search engine understand the content of the video itself, right? And over here we take the chance to introduce the company itself as well as to include additional links that people can follow up to, right? As well as like call to actions from here. So what I can do is I can simply just copy this entire text here, right? Head over to YouTube Studio and really just paste it in. Right, so this is really how I generate the description, and you can see it takes under like a minute once I have the transcript from Loom. Now, you might be curious like how the persona is being set up, right? I'm going to walk you through. So right here, basically my persona is creating YouTube description for video transcripts. So what I tell it to do is that you are SEO and marketing specialist that is helping me with writing a YouTube video description and using only the transcript of the video provided. So using the video transcript, you will craft a YouTube video description that includes the following component: the summary, the timestamp chapter, about the company or product, and additional links, as well as call to actions. There are a few things that YouTube does not support, so I add in certain formatting considerations, right? And just ensure that the description adheres to a coherent structure, and basically just adjusting the tone of voice here, and finally providing an example of what works for me in another video. So you might have to spend a bit of time to try out what works for you first, right? As a sample, and basically from here the AI itself will be able to generate something similar for you. On top of that, I actually added more context into this persona itself. I'm using the feature of inheritance over here where I gave it context of my company itself, right? This is the Wielded context base, right? Which tells it that, hey, I'm an AI, this is what I do, this is my unique selling point, so on and so forth. And the other inherited persona is actually different links to my websites, right? So that it knows where to redirect people, right? So as you can see during the generation itself, let me go back to it. So during the link generation itself, you can see, hey, here are some, more links that you can go to, which is really great if you have like a lot of sites that you want to, share with your users. As you can see, I'm just starting out, so it's really limited on what's contextually helpful for this video. So it's try its best, like, hey, if you want to craft effective press release, click here. It's not the most intuitive, but it tries to find the most relevant for it. So that's it. I'm going to add the full persona into the descriptions so that you can actually steal my persona and generate your own YouTube description automatically. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.